In today's video, I'll teach you how to create GoodRx account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.goodrx.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of GoodRx. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, simply click on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, sign up for free, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface of GoodRx. You can see over here you'll be able to sign up with email, or you can also continue with Google, Apple, or use the mobile number. So click on the sign up method that you prefer. Here I'm just going to enter the email address. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a code will be sent to your email. So simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. After you do that, you can see over here the Gmail will be opened. GoodRx will send you the email, simply click on it. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code, go back to the sign up interface and enter that code over here. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to complete your profile. So first of all, enter your legal first name over here. Likewise, enter the legal last name. Now also enter the birth date over here. First of all, enter the month. Likewise, enter the day. Now enter the year. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you can subscribe to the Gold membership if you want. You'll be able to see the features over here. If you want to do it right now, click on this option, start your free Gold trial today. Otherwise, click on this option, maybe later. Now you can see over here your account will be easily created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create GoodRx account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.